Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Today's my actual birthday. I hope you guys can join me for a little birthday unboxing. So I just received this and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So my sister had messaged me and said that she had sent me a package through Etsy and I had given her a wish list of some of my favorite items that I've been eyeing on Etsy. So I'm excited to see which one she picked. Beautiful wrapping. I love that there's a birthday card, and here's the business card, and it looks like the seller was kind enough to write the note, personalized note for my sister, so that's super nice. I love that when they do that. And let us open this up. So I don't even remember the name of the vendors, but I know in my head that there were 5 items that I really like, and they are basically ceramic, metal, vintage decor. And I am curious to see, look at this. Again, very beautifully, simply wrapped, but I love the attention to detail there. So I love it when sellers do that. So I'm going to put a picture here of some vintage decor that I have. It's a vase and a pitcher. It has this mint base and some metal pieces on the top. I love this flute vase and the pitcher. I think it is from the 70s or 60s from somewhere in Europe. I think either Holland or Denmark. I'm not sure now, but I really love this piece. Oh, I see it now. I think I know what this is. So one of the items that I had on my wish list was a vintage ceramic Tonala bird. Now these beautiful art pieces are from Mexico, and I've looked around. I have not seen any markings on these that show who the artist is, so maybe there are several artisans that have worked on this. But look at that enamel piece. The armor around this ceramic bird is beautiful. She looks fragile yet strong, and I love that. So I love this. Thank you so much, Corey. I love my bird. I'm already excited to put this somewhere. I'm still going to have to decide. Now let's have a look and see what else she got me. Here is a super cute bird tote bag. My sister knows me so well. I love birds and I'm super excited to use this, and she's also included some goodies in here. So let's have a look and see what they are. She gave me some salty malty chocolate. So it has milk chocolate, malt balls, and sea salt. How yummy is that? For chocolate lovers out there, I think you guys will love that. And she got me this beautiful book. It is The Illustrated World of a Fashion Icon, Coco Chanel. How pretty is this book? I'm excited to read it and look through the pages. I browsed a little bit, but how fun. And look at the silver foil on the edges of the page. So I love it. Super cool. And last but not least, she also got me this beautiful Love Pop card. I love Hummers. And check it out. Little pop-up there with our bird. And here on the side is her cute little heartwarming note. So I am so thankful that you guys joined me here today. Thankful for your support and forever grateful to share my little channel with you guys. And I'm so thankful for my family, for my friends. Thank you so much for all the love and all, oh my goodness, the wonderful memories, and just I'm super grateful and super blessed. So again, thanks for joining me today. Join me again next time. Thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.